Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise 2 simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. If you want to do this training or if you want to deal for this complete course with me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. I will do each and everything, all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment and final exam with A plus grade. So we will go to my lab at Pearson, click on Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise 2 simulation training. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, all Microsoft Word. And reach me out for your other courses help like my lab accounting, my lab finance, management courses, math, Java, C++, calculus courses, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. So we will click on Open Pearson button. I click on Open Pearson. Okay, please focus on my laptop screen and I will do this training step by step. Click on launch button. So the total question of this training is 6. Question number 1. Beginning in cell D4 on the home loan tab, complete the series of substitution value ranging from 4% to 6% in increment of 0.25% vertically down column D. So we will click on cell D4. Okay. So we will click on cell D4, go to the home tab in the editing group, click on fill button. So we will click on series button. So we will V4 on home tab, complete the series of certain value ranging 4% vertically down. Okay, we will select column. So step value is 0.25% and straw value is 6%. Straw value is 6%. Click on OK button. This is done. Question first is done now. So the next question is question number 2. Insert a reference to the original monthly payment in cell E3. We will click on cell E3, press is equal to monthly payment, original monthly payment. Okay, press enter. So insert a reference to the total repay loan in cell F3. Click on cell F3 and click on total repay loan. Where is repay loan? Okay, here is total to repay loan in cell B13. Press enter. So insert a reference to the original total interest paid in cell G3. Click on cell G3. Press is equal to in cell G3 and go to the original total interest paid B14. Press enter. So question number 2 is done. Use the reference and the substitution value created to complete a single variable data table in the range D3 to G12. Use the reference and the substitution value created to complete a single variable data table to the range G3 to G12. Okay, we will select this table complete G3 to G12. G3 to G12. Okay, so we will go to the data tab in the for cost group. Click on what if analysis button. So click on data table. Row inputs value column input value is cell B2, one second, B4, okay, and click on OK button. This question is done. Table is completed. So the question number 4 of this training is that apply the accounting number format to the range E4 to G12. Okay, we will select this range E4 to G12 and go to the home tab. In the number group, simply we will apply accounting number format. So we will type APR in cell D3, click on cell D3 and we will type APR. Okay. Apply a custom number format to the cell E3 to display payment. We will click on cell E3, go to the home tab in the number group, open number dialog box, go to the custom. So we will go to journal, we will remove this journal. So in the inverted commas, we will type payment. Payment, we will type payment. So close this inverted commas, click on OK button. This question is done. I have done 4 question of this simulation training in my video. Total question of the simulation training is 6. I have done 85% to 80% of this training in my video. If you need help in this training and if you do not able to do this training and if you want to defer this complete MyLab ATPSN course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do each and everything myself. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, all Microsoft Word, all simulation training, simulation exam, cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. And you will be free from this course. I will provide you A plus grade in this course. And if you need help other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, Macroeconomics, Java, C++, management courses, business classes, or other courses, any other courses, if you need help or you are busy with your job and you don't have time to do these courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.